Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about vocabulary related to diet. To slim down means a nicer way to lose weight. To get into shape, to lose weight and look good. To cut down on something means to reduce, to eat or drink less of a particular thing. Obesity, the state of being seriously overweight. To comfort eat, to eat food that makes you feel better. Usually it is unhealthy items such as biscuits, sweets, chocolates, and crisps. Middle age spread, putting on weight simply as we get older. To cut out, to avoid eating something, to take things out of your diet. 5 a day means 5 portions of fruits and vegetables. Crash diet means a very severe diet. And finally, we have some foods that are considered to be healthy. We have veggies, fruits, grains, spices, beans, seafood, nuts, and drinks. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.